Thank you very much, Guillaume, and thank you, all of you, for being here, first of all. And second of all, I want to thank all our sponsors and all the people who have made this happen here. As you can see, it's quite an amazing infrastructure. A lot of people did work on that, and I've been completely amazed, and I think all of us have been amazed on how it works so well. This is really a productive environment.
Thank you.
And so thank you very much, and I'm not going to be very long. I want to convey one and two messages. At Dassault Systèmes, we believe that the virtual world, so the virtual world, all what you have seen here, is really extending and improving the real world. And this is a key topic. And for that, you have to know that we have been working on this since '81 with many generations of systems. We started with 3D. Then we did put all this 3D together, managing the DMU process. Then we did PLM, and now we are at the age of the 3D experience platform and the 3D experiences. And our purpose is really to deliver to you, to the business, to the people, what we call 3D experience universe. And the 3D experience universe today, what it is, it's capabilities to support 11 industries and 61 industry segments. It's quite phenomenal in terms of footprint. And with these 3D experiences, what we are looking for is for you to imagine sustainable innovation. And for that, we made them capable of harmonizing the product, the nature, and the life. And this brings us directly to how we think we are contributing, and we are going to continue to contribute for a better world, sustainable. And as you have seen today, when you do things right the first time, when you are able to simulate virtually things before they exist, for sure, if you embrace this 3 dimension of product, nature, and life, you are able to imagine the future and to do sustainable innovation. So clearly we said that there is 3 pillars for us, and it has been very well demonstrated during this day, the workforce of the future. You heard about the industry renaissance. Why we call that industry renaissance? Because we believe that in the industry solution we provide, the knowledge, the know-how inside, is a quite same paradigm than the day Gutenberg has been able to duplicate and create this revolution of sharing books between people. And you have seen those people, those kids, coming here, and in 48 hours, they have been able to leverage this knowledge, this know-how, to collaborate and to develop what they have shown to us, which is quite amazing. There is a lot of companies today who will read to have this team to help them to invent the future and to reinvent the story of their company. So it's about optimization, and you understand that when we speak about sustainability, it has to be global. It has to be global because you have to take into account all parameters which are going to impact the performance, but also the sustainability of what you do. And it's coming more and more evident that we need to take that into account to preserve the future of our next generation and our Earth. Value network, clearly, it's about working together with all the people who are involved, all the company, and it's about collaboration, the capability to collaborate, whatever it's with a structured way or unstructured way for imagination. And this is really what also we have seen here. It's about giving the capability for the people to have a nimble environment where they can work together. So we had amazing presenter today, and the team has been selecting some sentence. I want to thank them because it was so aligned with the the aim of what we wanted to convey to you. They have made an effort to come to show that. Some of them have been sponsored, so read that very well. And once again, thank you very much for what you have given to us today and this morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Bruno.
And I just want to finish, if I can. I know I'm longer. I'm not like the kids. I'm not able to do my speech in 4 minutes. I want to come back to the evolution of all the team. So we want to go, and we are going, and moving from supply chain to value network. And this is a given. We have to collaborate. The innovation is about collaboration. It has to be seamless. It has to be tied to what we do, because collaboration is possible when things are at the fingertips, that you can access them very quickly. You can share them. It was so obvious in the demonstration. I know there is one product with a baby of Guillaume since here, with the lean manufacturing, when you can see all what is going on. Everybody understand, can communicate, share. The information intelligence. This is our Exalid product. It was well demonstrated here. When you have the data, you can organize the data, and then you can do real good artificial intelligence in order to reveal things and take action. And it has to be linked to the system, because seeing problem without tying that to the way to solve the problem, which is Innovia in this case, is really useless. And we do think that having everything together in the context of the 3D expand platform is a differentiator. So knowledge, know-how, I spoke about it. This is what we do at Dassault Systèmes. Once again, thank you very much. There is a second day, and I see you tomorrow also. And thank you, Guillaume. And you have the microphone now. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bruno. Thank you.